Well, howdy! This is the Hal and Larry Show.
My name's Hal.
And I'm Larry. We're going to teach you about nature. And those who inhabit the nature.
We're going to teach you how to respect the forest and the animals there that live in it. And their habitat.
Oh, doggy!
The first time I think about it, you know, it just, I don't know. Weird.
The first thing you need when you're going out in nature is your trusty mosquito spray. Insect repellent.
Hey, you okay? Okay, alright?
Second thing you need is your trusty insect eye repellent remover wipe. All better. You, cameraman, get that fork out the camera. Anything else, Hal?
Next time out, son. On your oven.
Yeah.
Back in Nam, we were in the war. Took this just pocket knife from
I'm going over here and get some supplies.
Nina that I cut up, killed him, took his wife, threw her over a cliff. With this trust pocket knife. Look how a rabbit, Hal. Kill him out, kill him out.
What?
It's a rabbit, kill him.
Where?
Right there. Pull out your glasses, man. Kill him.
I got him.
It's a girl.
Oh my God, it's
Right, it's a girl, it's a girl.
I want to see that.
Oh, it's a boy. Oh. Oh. Get off.
Daddy, can I be in the movie?
Shut up.
Shut up.
You're retarded.
You need to tell your son to be a cameraman.
son.
And just
Son,
cut
look.
the horse crap.
Let me cut the crap out.
Cut the horse crap.
He's gonna be between me and you. Put that camera on.